Today we're diving into the features of the Little Giant APCP-1700, a powerful and efficient swimming pool cover pump designed to make your life easier. This automatic, submersible pump is perfect for removing water from pool covers, boat covers, or rooftops, activating in just 2 inches of water and shutting off when the water level drops to 1 inch. With easy maintenance in mind, the pump allows access to the float and airlock for cleaning without the need for tools or screws. Its ergonomic handle ensures portability and ease of placement, while the compact, weighted design provides stability during operation. Setting up is a breeze with a 1-inch FNPT discharge and a 3/4-inch garden hose adapter, fitting standard garden hoses, and the 25-foot power cord offers convenient reach to power sources in most installations. Operating at 115 volts with a 1/3 of a horsepower motor, it delivers an impressive 1,745 gallons per hour at a 1-foot lift, with a 25-foot shutoff. The integrated float switch and light blue color add to its appeal, making the Little Giant APCP-1700 a reliable and stylish choice for your water removal needs. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.